Go ahead.
Yeah, I like a lot of that older insert type of comics. I like that laser.
That's a hard to find item.
Them are the Golden Glow shooters. They got the Hulk for the mask. That's a really cool one.
Oh yeah, with a cool comic on it.
Yeah. Here's another really cool comic. Yeah, I just, I don't know, I like all the inserts. The comic ones are really cool. I got this, you can't really see it. It's like a sticker. It's backwards. I guess maybe you can see it better this way.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm picking it up on camera. At least I can see it. Hopefully the folks at home can see it too.
Yeah, somebody had sold me those on eBay a long time ago.
And while we're at it, Don's talking about inserts. Here's a really cool insert.
Yeah, I've never seen one like that.
Advertisement for Marvel Comics.
It's pretty.
With a skull dispenser.
We're gonna need to leave.
For what?
I just want to get our nails done.